let me show you how to send your Jotform PDFs to Pipedrive automatically. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically send the PDFs to Pipedrive when the form is submitted. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is select the form that we want to use for this purpose. In this case, we're going to use this project management form, and we're going to jump into the editor section. So in this case, this is the form builder. And once you finish building your form, I would suggest jumping into settings. In settings, we're going to go into integrations. And in integrations, we are going to search for Pipedrive, and it's right here. Let's go ahead and select it. And we need to decide what we want to do with this integration to send over that PDF. Do you want to send it over to a deal when a person is created, or when an activity is created? In this case, we're going to do this when a deal is created. So let's hit next. Let's go ahead and integrate right now. So in this case, I'm already logged into Pipedrive. So all I need to do is allow it to connect. So yes, let's go ahead and continue and allow the integration to Jotform and Pipedrive. Once that's done, let's go ahead and continue with the integration. In this case, I need to select the pipeline. In this case, it's going to be sent over to the sales pipeline. Here we go. And now I have to set up the next options here. So in this case, select the stages when a new deal is created, and you can decide where you want to send this PDF to. In this case, I'm going to send it into a new deal. Here we go. The status for this deal is going to be open. As soon as it's submitted, it's going to go into new deal, and it's going to be in the open status. Okay. Who's going to be the owner? Me. If you have several owners, you'll view them right here. Then we need to set the visibility option of the deal. So for the owner or the entire company. So is the rest of the team going to view the deal or the PDF in this case? Yes. Then we need to match the fields. So the title of this one, I'm going to use the project name. The person name will be the whole name, and the person email is not set up in this specific form. So I'm going to remove that field. Then I have the option to add form fields to node. In this case, yes, we do want to do this. So the node title will be set to the new submission and the form title. Then select the form fields to add the node to. So in this case, I'm going to use the project description for this purpose. Okay, here we go. Then this is a key option that we want to look for. It's the send attachments. This is the option where we're going to send the PDF to Pipedrive. In this case, if you have several PDFs created in the PDF editor, you're going to view them listed right here. Go ahead and select the one that you want to send over to Pipedrive. So in this case, it's going to be this one. Do we want to send file uploads to Pipedrive? In this case, there's no upload element in the form, but if there was, I would have the option here to send over attachments too, like images, files, etc. All right. So let's go ahead and save this right now. We are now integrated to Pipedrive. So let's go ahead and test this out. Let's go into preview form. Let's fill this out with a demo data. Here we go. It's now filled out. Let's go ahead and submit this form right now, and the PDF should be sent over to Pipedrive. So let's go ahead and close the preview form, and let's jump over to Pipedrive. Now let's jump over to the deals section, and here is our brand new deal created with the integration that we just did. And we have the details here for the message, the details over here on the left that were filled out. Now, if you have more details tied to the form, you'll view them right here. Now the PDF has been sent over to Pipedrive, and I have the available details for the new deal and the PDF that was sent over to Pipedrive. So it's super easy and practical to integrate Jotform with Pipedrive to send over your PDFs over there. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the integration and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.